In this quick short, I'm going to show you how to make a gourmet dinner in less than 1 hour. We're using andouille sausage, green peppers, yellow peppers, um, red onions, yellow onions, some Kinder seasoning, and only an hour. And of course, you got to have a rice cooker because a rice cooker makes everything easy. So go out there, go to work, come home, make a quick dinner that's going to be great for everybody. And with, of course, zero sugar cherry Pepsi. Let's go, folks. Yeah. Good eating. Damn, that's good. What do you think, babe? That good? Folks, very quick dinner. Get you some andouille sausage, red green pepper, orange green pepper, yellow onion, red onion. Saute the sausage first. You can tell this is my favorite sizzle pan because it's been through the world with that rim around it. And then you get some meatballs. Then you have a rice cooker. Super fancy rice cooker, not too much. Best thing you could buy for a kitchen, rice cooker. Then you air fry some brisket cheese meatballs. Brisket cheese meatballs. So this together, I like mine a little bit, crispier, you can tell. So it says 15 minutes, so this is 16 minutes. And you flip them and turn them at the 8-minute mark. And then you've got the another quick meal that took probably 15 minutes. So you got less than the hour, and now we'll wait on the right. Less than an hour, you've got a hearty, good, healthy meal. I don't know the calorie count, but you guys can figure it out. Sausage, veggies, brisket, meatballs with cheese, and rice. Hey, quick food advice on the summertime. Vic's world's famous chicken in the cooler. Let's go. Ooh, woo! Less than 45 minutes, you guys can eat like this. What took the longest is the rice, and all you had to do was wash the rice and turn it on, and it's cooking. So let me give y'all a bite. A little sausage. Oh, I lost my rice. Rice, meatball. Good eating. Damn, that's good. What do you think, babe? That good?